What's up, guys? We're back, and this is the problems I'm having with the Aniioki A8 dual motor. I got error code 24.
Well, just pulled off the rear motor hub, and this thing appears to be either shorting or grinding out. Okay guys, so I just want to give you guys an update. I still have a error 24 on my bike. What I went ahead and did is I replaced all the hub sensors with quality Honeywell sensors, and I'll put up a post of those in my in the comment section or in the description. Since my wire harness melted right here, I'm gonna throw up a photo. I ended up just kind of buying one off of Amazon, and I just spliced it back in together. So we're gonna go ahead and plug this in. All right, and we're gonna see if that error code 24 went away. Yep, looks like it went away.